all respectable dignitaries and dear friends. Today's your subject is very important. This theme is very important. This is important for the country. That innovative solution for MSMEs challenges and opportunities. Today, the innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices. We name it as a knowledge and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the exactly a future for the country. Regarding MSME, MSME contributes 30% of the growth of GDP. That is contribution from MSME. 48% export. And up till now, MSME creates 11 crore jobs. Now our mission is to contribute 40% in GDP growth and 48% export of MSME. We want to take it up to 60% and creating 5 crore new jobs. Most important thing is the village industry is equally important. In 115 aspirant districts, agriculture, rural and tribal, where we are facing economic problem, the GDP contribution from the rural agriculture tribal area and 115 aspirant district is very negligible, and they are facing the problem of poverty and unemployment. So exactly we need to develop this area. Now the most important innovative solutions where we need that how we are going to increase our exports. Now I'm just giving you two examples. These are the practical example where it is easy to understand what exactly in my mind. Now we are giving priority for electric car, electric buses, electric bikes, electric auto rickshaw. And now even we are planning to make electric trucks in the country. So regarding these e-vehicles, we have to develop vendors. For example, there is one magnet in the bike, in the car, everywhere. But that magnet is we are importing from China. Even many of the products, they are not available in our country. So this is the time for the industry, for the government to identify what are the things which are important for the future, which we are presently importing, how we can make it. And that is to be a mission for all of us to make in India for that we can manufacture here. Exactly, we need our IITs, engineering colleges, research organizations. They should give a practically a solution, innovative solution for all these alternatives. So this type of lot of things are there. If you can make a research and study of our import material, once upon a time this PP kits was imported. Now we are self-sufficient. Everything now sanitizer, PP kit, we are in position to export. Exactly what are the imports which we are making, how we can make with innovative approach, with alternative for that is exactly a challenge. Now, yesterday I have a discussion with the UP's industries minister and his secretary. I was telling with that you can easily create at least 10 lakh jobs in Uttar Pradesh. He say, how it's possible? Now I am telling you the story. There are a lot of sugar factories are in UP, but sugar production is surplus. And at the same time, ethanol we have shortage. Present our ethanol purchase is 450 crore liters. Only to add into 10% in petrol, we need 1600 crore liter of ethanol. So at least 4 times more ethanol we required. Then we are in position, we are already have in the process that we can add 10% ethanol in diesel. And again, there will be a huge requirement. At least that requirement will be more than 2000 crore liters. Then we are now launching a flex engine where 100% ethanol can be used or 100% petrol can be used. It is with the vendor. So the total shortage is there, and we are importing 8 lakh crores of petroleum products, the crude oil. So I suggest him that in place of making sugar meal, we can directly making sugar cane juice, and from that we can make ethanol, and we can fulfill the demand, and we that can create more employment potential and wealth in UP. Now government is giving permission to make ethanol from corn, from rice, from fruit grain. We have stock of 280 lakh ton of rice surplus. We can supply rice to the whole world. The corn is also available in Punjab and Haryana. It's a big problem. The MSP is 1700 rupees per quintal, and the rate is market rate is 1000 rupees per quintal. So the corn is available in Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, everywhere. We can convert that corn into ethanol, so that we can make the ethanol industry presently, which is a size of 25,000 crore, we can make it of at least for 2 lakh crores. And we can create jobs, opportunities in the rural agriculture area. It will be import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. Now lot of things where that can be import substitute. Lot of things where we can get import substitute, and some of the things where we can plan it for, as far as the international price is concerned, we can increase our export. Yesterday, CI, we have a conference with MasterCard and Amazon. Now, Amazon is having the export of Indian MSME of 70,000 crore. We have got handloom, handicrafts, honey, everything. Our products are unique products. Quality is very good. Cost is very effective. We need to present and market in a proper way in international market. I just tell you a story of Khadi. We are making denim. That Khadi denim is very popular in USA. The one of the Levi's is company, they are purchasing Khadi denim. Now we have the shoes and chappals by using the silk of Banaras as a cover to that shoes and for chappals, and they are using denim, different type of khadi material for that. Very good, looking very attractive. There is a huge market for all the shoes and chappals in USA and abroad. So exactly by new designs, new innovation, new research, first of all, we can make 100% good quality of products where we can sell all these product on in global market. The second important thing is, which is very important, that upgradation of technology. First of all, whatever the technology available in our country, if it is possible, we can upgrade our technology. By using innovations, different type of research also, we can use it. If we don't have, we can take it help from the international standards, international institutions, industries about their new technology, and we can make the joint venture for that. So presently sky is the limit. We are the fastest growing economy, and MSME is the backbone of our Indian industry, Indian economy. And that is one of the reasons that different type of innovation, different type of research, these are very important. So upgradation of MSME, upgradation of industry and accepting new technology is very important. But where is the problem we are facing? First of all, identification of products. What are the products which are we can manufacture in India? How we can make innovation? It can be import substitute, cost effective, pollution free. At the same time, it should be indigenous, and 100% how we can make a product of that design with good quality, with reducing the cost of the product, we can make available to international market. So I feel that for that reason we need innovation and research. We have technical technology centers. Actually, I am telling you the story of at the time when the COVID was in a higher level, the sanitizer was the need of the country, but we don't have that much sanitizer. Actually, in my area, sanitizer rate go up to 1200 rupees per liter. So we have sugar factory and we are manufacturing alcohol and I'm giving alcohol to the small people and they make sanitizer and selling by rate of 1200 rupees per liter. So I decided to make sanitizer and we decided to sell it 160 rupees per liter. So that sanitizer was available and the market cost was reduced. The same time the PP kits are now available. So my suggestion is surplus production is also important and 100% of good quality. But without compromise the quality, we have to make reduce the cost. That is also important. And for that reason, I am telling you that innovation point of view, we have 18 technology centers, and these technology centers, existing 18 tool room centers, for in 2014, 15 new technology centers at a cost of 2,200 crore were approved. In 2018, 20 new technology centers, tool rooms, and 100 extension centers with a total investment of 6,000 crore were approved. Now, my interest is the Godrej has got their technology tool center. Their turnover is very good. So now we have decided now with a PPA mode, we are going to tender process and giving government tool center to the private successful industry or a tool centers privately who are doing excellent jobs. So the pump was the most important thing for that bottle of sanitizer. But pump was imported from China. But now our industry, with their innovative approach, they invented the pumps and pumps are available. So there is a lot of things where we can develop and where we can make the supply of all this material to the global market. And there is a huge potential. But one thing which is very important, that is a concept of cooperation, coordination, and communication between the stakeholders. Now we need to understand present our automobile industry. For example, their total volume is 4,50,000 crore. Our automobile industry create maximum jobs. But now they are making electric trucks, electric equipments, construction equipments, machinery on CNG, trucks on LNG, then different type of transport system, buses, trolley buses, electric buses, double-decker buses. Everywhere we need new products, new technology, new innovations. Our IIT, our engineering colleges are making constant research on it. But my suggestion to the new generation that you have to identify, and identification is very important, that what is the need of the country, what is the shortage, what is the demand, and what is the requirement, what type of requirement for industry. On the basis of that, if our research and innovation is going on, then it is useful. Now the problem is that there is a lot of research are with the defense research institutions like DRDO, and a lot of people, they have a lot of research. But that research is not coming to common man. I request them, by why this is, you are just take it your research in a safe deposit vault. Why you are not take it to the people? So this is the time to identify the technology, the research, innovations, and take it to the common man. And by using that technology and research, we can make the products, and not we are going to only fulfill the demand of our society, but we can make export from that. So exactly, there are also important thing we need to understand. What is the need of the world? What is the need of the different countries where we have a good relationship? And exactly that material, that product, how we can manufacture here with the lower cost without compromise with the quality, that is to be a success story. For that reason, for import and export, technology and research, demand and supply, requirement, here we need information. And for that reason, we need to have cooperation, coordination, and communication between the stakeholders. So this is the very important thing. Our Prime Minister's dream is to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. And for that purpose, we need to increase our more export. We have to increase our GDP growth, create more employment potential jobs, and we should give the highest priority for the rural agriculture, tribal sector. At the same time, 115 aspirant districts. My request to AIMA that just if you take in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, the honey, the high altitude honey has got a tremendous potential in the in the Western countries. So the Amazon site, the high altitude honey's rate is 6,000 rupees per kg. So this type of different things by using the climate of Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, what type of product we can develop, what type of product we can design, what type of raw material which is available there, on the basis of that, how we can make the good quality of products. That is exactly innovation with market sense, with considering demand and supply, at the same time with the appropriate technology, without compromise with the cost, without compromise with the quality. We need to reduce the cost, and at the same time good packaging, good presentation, that is equally important. So this is the time that whole scenario is changing. India is the fastest growing economy. We have to convert knowledge into economic power, and that is exactly the innovation and research is very important. I am giving my all best wishes to all India Management Association for giving inspiration and motivation to the young talented youth of our country. 100% these youth are the pillar of the country, future of the country, and their inspiration and motivation with them, 100% they will create huge miracles which is going to helpful for the country. I am giving my all best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.